Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome back for another video. In today's video, let's take a look at Theta and see where we can land with a price target for the 2024-2025 bull run. But before we dive on into this, this is not financial advice. This video is for entertainment purposes only. Please do your own research. I am not a financial advisor. And while I appreciate that so many of you are hopping in here from all over the place, you've got to hit that subscribe button. I make price target videos every day. I try to go live as much as possible. I do multiple videos a day, just trying to keep up as much as possible with this rapidly evolving crypto space. Hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification button as well. And if you like this content, join this channel as a member for member-only live streams every Tuesday and Thursday at 4 p.m. Eastern Time. But without further ado, let's go ahead and dive on into this. So before we get into anything as to what Theta is, I do want to explain what Theta used to be. In my head, at least, here's what I always pictured Theta: a decentralized YouTube competitor or decentralized YouTube similar thing just on the blockchain. And they have rebranded, and that's okay. But I do want to point out their first venture failed. And so throughout the bear market, I really wondered, is Theta dead? But, you know, on September 27th, Theta Labs will relaunch. They already did relaunch their Theta TV to a single channel platform to showcase the Theta Video API and Theta Edge Network. They're grateful to all the creators who collaborated with them over the years. And the final day to stream was Tuesday, September 19th. And so now they are something else. And do they have the potential to grow into whatever the other thing is that they are? Sure. Am I skeptical? Maybe a little, especially considering the niche that they're trying to grab a hold of, which, you know, they've been a little successful doing it so far. So there's a couple things here. The Theta Edge node, you can earn tokens by sharing your PC's computer storage and bandwidth resources. And so that's how you earn T-Fuel, the gasoline that powers the Theta network. And so, you know what? Try that out. Sure. See how much T-Fuel you can earn by sharing all of that stuff. This reminds me a lot of Render, a lot of, there's cloud computing that's really becoming pretty big in the crypto space. We have on their website Web3 blockchain infrastructure for video, AI, and entertainment. So we have elements of AI cryptocurrencies, of Render, of VRA, things like that. And it seems a little too convenient for me. Now, could Theta just blow it out of the water, and maybe are all of these next steps after their failed venture, are these next steps going to be like the big thing, the thing that they were born to do? Sure. You know, maybe. And do I think that Theta is going to hit a new all-time high this time around? I actually do, despite how terrible they looked in the bear market. So, you know, you've got that going for you. And forgive me if I just sound a little skeptical, not crazy skeptical, just a little skeptical about what they have. If you hear anything positive about Theta, what you're going to hear are their team, their advisors, and their partnerships. I mean, you can see some pretty big names with their team. Steve Chen, co-founder of YouTube; Dennis Fong, founder of Plays; Clifford Morgan; Sam Wick; Justin Kahn, co-founder of Twitch. You have some other ones here: Verizon, Rakuten, things like that. Amazing board of advisors, media advisors at least. You have their venture capitalists: Sierra Ventures, Sony. What else is on here? Samsung. There's so many things that blockchain.com, things that on the surface look fantastic. And so what do we say about this? Is this something that is going to get a lot of people excited to buy Theta, you know, buy it low, sell it high? I certainly could see that. So looking at the Theta network price, I mean, you can see, I mean, the bear market was just so depressing. We didn't see Theta start to move until 2024. I mean, a lot of cryptocurrencies did very well while Theta stayed flat, and it made me want to give up on it. It made me want to think, you know, I might as well just put this into something else. And so, okay, currently a $3 billion market cap, all-time high is, I believe it wicked up to $16 in 2021, in early 2021, did not put in a higher high in towards the end of 2021. One thing we don't have to worry about with Theta is their inflationary tokenomics. That is T Fuel. And it's a really fascinating economy that they have built, that their regular supply is maxed out, but the fuel, the gasoline that powers the Theta ecosystem is inflationary. Very similar to VeChain. VeChain has something very similar. And so who knows? Maybe that's a good thing for Theta, that we don't have to worry about their supply getting too inflationary. But moving on, market cap dominance. I really have a hard time believing that Theta's market cap dominance is getting anywhere near its all-time high in 2021, where it got to 0.67%. I could see Theta going back to like half of that. So this seems very far-fetched. If that were to happen, we would see Theta's price more than double. But 0.33% is where I'm landing as far as my estimate. It just, it didn't really do much aside from that big spike in 2021 in terms of gaining ground in the crypto space. And I don't expect it to put in a new all-time high for market cap dominance, but 0.33% market cap dominance, assuming a $7 trillion total on market cap, that gives us a $23.1 billion market cap. That's not insignificant. You divide that by a 1 billion circulating supply, that gives us a Theta price of $23.10. Like I said, that is a new all-time high. That's about 50% higher than its previous all-time high. That's okay. Theta from today's prices, that's about a 7x. So there's still room to go up for Theta. And I could very much see that happening as we're nearing maybe perhaps alt season, at least, make it from the day I'm making this video in March of 2024. So we'll see, but 2310 is where I land. I do want to remind you of a couple things before we leave. Check out the membership benefits. And I will say this, if there's any reason for you to join this channel as a member, here's the number one reason. I gave the members a heads up about a cryptocurrency that I was going to make a TikTok video about. That TikTok got 70,000 views. The market cap of that cryptocurrency went crazy. It did something like, from where it was when I made the video to its peak, a 7x. It's currently resting at about a 4 or 5x from before I made the video. And so people who bought into that cryptocurrency did very well for themselves. And so $9.99 a month to be a member. Check out the rest of the links in the description of this video. And otherwise, I hope you have a good day, good rest of your day, rest of your week. I will most certainly be seeing you in another video.